Edpuzzle quizzes can be used as a quick check for understanding with immediate feedback, a fun and engaging game, an exit ticket, and so much more. Whether you copy an existing quiz from another user or an Edpuzzle original, or create your own, it's easy to customize a quiz to support your students' learning. Let's create a new quiz. First, click Add New and select Quiz. Each quiz can be made up of multiple choice and open-ended questions. We'll start with a multiple choice question. Add the question and answer choices and mark the correct answer. It's that simple. You can also add images and audio to questions and to answer choices. Next, adjust the time limit for each question. Some questions may require more or less time for students to read, process, and answer. If you prefer, you can turn the time limit off altogether. You can also award points for answers that are speedy and correct, turning any quiz into a game and sparking some friendly competition. Click Save, and that's it. Let's add an open-ended question too. These questions can also include images and audio. Students will type their responses to the question, or, if you choose Allow Audio Responses, they will have the option to record an answer with their voice. Open-ended questions also have an adjustable time limit and the option to turn leaderboard points on and off. The best part about quizzes? Everything is customizable to your teaching style and students' needs. You can adjust the settings when assigning to different classes or using a quiz for a specific purpose. Leave the time limit on for a fun review game and turn it off for independent practice. Whether you are adapting an existing quiz or creating your own, Edpuzzle makes it easy to customize the learning experience to support your lesson.